So I don't know if you've noticed, but most of the bigger YouTube channels out there are starting to get less views. Their videos just aren't getting the reach that they used to get. And this is because of changes in the algorithm that are affecting them. So a lot of these bigger generalist channels are really starting to struggle, and they are obviously like juggernauts. So they're used to having massive amounts of views, and changing the sort of direction of one of these large ships is slow and difficult. And because of that, they're slowly dying. And I've actually noticed depleting views on my channel since I've started to change niche, but also because some of my topics were quite general as well. So these changes in the algorithm are massively important, and you really want to make sure that you are adapting to this as well, and that you are taking advantage of it, because it's a massive opportunity if you're a small YouTube creator right now, or if you've just gotten started and you're bouncing around with different topics. It's something that you need to consider moving forward, because you're actually going to struggle to get more views. The AI has gotten too smart in the algorithm. Now, I've created other videos on this topic, and I will go into more detail in other videos as well. And we're going to roughly cover it, but I want to show you why and how this is working so you can avoid it for your channel as well. So if we come across to some examples, you'll see channels like Brightside. Now, Brightside is a massive, and I mean massive, faceless YouTube channel. Look where they've got 44.7 million subscribers. That is huge, an absolute massive channel. One of the biggest that I've come across, other than the sort of Mr. Beasts and everything out there, especially for a generalist channel. They generally create content that inspires creativity and wonder. It is basically one of the more traditional legacy viral types of channels, but it's really struggling right now. And you may look at me and go, Gareth, yes, but if you open it up, they're getting like 33 million views. I think they're doing okay, but they are slowly going down. And they're having to produce more content to try and keep up with this. And it is sort of their strategy, which is to throw spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks. But they're struggling. So let's have a look. If we go down into their videos, you're going to see that for a channel with nearly 45 million subscribers, look at their videos. Now, they're releasing sort of 2 videos a day, so this is really a big operation. But with that many subscribers, you really should be getting more views on all of your videos, regardless. But 6,000 views, 4,000, 16,000, 26,000, 10,000, 9,000, 20,000. Let's go a bit further down. 19,000, 12,000, 35. Okay, getting a bit better. Let's go a bit further down quicker. Maybe we can see something else. Okay, this one did a bit better. Outlier, 138,000 views. Go back down, 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 down. This one did a bit better. Over 350,000 views. 20,000, 16,000, 13,000, 19,000, 11,000. They're just not making the amount of new views on their videos. A lot of those views that they're getting are from legacy videos. They're not doing as well as they used to. So this channel is slowly dying. When their older videos don't get as much attention, because you can say, well, 300,000 is pretty good, Gareth. You've got 45 million subscribers. If Mr. Beast was happy with less than 1 million views on a video, I mean, he'd be bankrupt by now. He just couldn't do it. So the cost of these videos, let's say they're doing them in-house, so they've got loads of freelancers. They're going to be costing about $100 to $150 to create each of these videos. They are probably breaking even on the new content. So this is where the generalist stuff comes into fashion. And you could say, well, maybe that's just Brightside. But let's look at Improvement Pill. Improvement Pill, another channel that's doing pretty well, but has been going down a lot recently. 1.2 million monthly views, another faceless one. They have really high quality content, and they upload a video a week about. It used to be about a video every month. But again, you can see 11,000, 23,000, 15,000, 18,000. 3 months ago, 20,000, 16,000. For the quality of these videos, they're not doing very well. But as you can see, overthinking, then it's body language stuff, then it's relationship stuff. They're all over the place. How to deal with rejection. It's all over the place. It's this generalist channel. But again, nearly over 3.5 million subscribers. Each of these videos should be absolutely destroying. But YouTube is not pushing them out. Now, this comes down to the fact that the algorithm is no longer just saying, okay, so you like this niche and you like this channel, and then it just decides to share your content out from those channels and that niche to you because you've showed interest. That used to sort of be the way it worked. And there is still obviously a little bit of an element of this, but it's more about the individual these days and their interests. So they know the type of content that you like on this channel. So if you're a channel about Harry Potter and you liked Harry Potter but not other characters, YouTube would learn not to show you videos from that channel based on the other characters because they don't perform well for you. You're not interested. So the algorithm is getting so smart that we need to get into the psychology of the humans that are actually the avatars of our channel. What is it they want? What is the common theme? What is the common interest? So niching down is not enough anymore. You need to create content for a particular individual because your generalist content is not going to go out there. You're going to have a split in between all of the different audiences, and you can do that. But if you have too many themes with these generalist types of channels, then you're going to have too many splits in the audience, and YouTube's just not going to be sharing out your content as much. You're not going to get the benefit from having a large channel. You actually may be better off having multiple channels, uploading less, but having a common theme between each channel. I mean, if we look at Alex Hormozi, beast of a creator right now, everybody loves Alex Hormozi. He's doing so well. He's getting millions of views, so nearly 16 million monthly views. And whenever he does business content, he absolutely kills it. Nearly 500,000 views, brilliant. But he does a gym video talking about business and other things, and people really love the fact that he's obviously a muscly guy. There's lots of his audience that are interested in that, but 85,000. So it does 5 times worse than an older video that he did, let's say, a week before. And that's because it's not on topic anymore. Yes, some of the people in his nearly 3 million subscribers are interested in the gym stuff, but YouTube doesn't push it out anymore. And this is an advert, so this one's an outlier, so it's not really that relevant. It's just 1 minute long. But you can see all of his other stuff, even a newer video 2 days ago, is pretty much double what this video got. We go down 200,000, 163,000, nearly 300,000, nearly 750,000. When he talks about business, his videos just perform better. And that is because, now I don't want you to think that this means that you have to be very niche and very pigeonholed. But again, the niche is not the niche anymore. The niche is the avatar, the individual, and what they want. What you need is a common thread that you tie between all of your videos on your channel. What is the common goal or outcome or desire that they want? So what is it actually that people want? And that's what we really need to start looking at. What is going to be working better? So we see this generalist channel. There's a good example of one here that I actually like. This is a smaller channel, but this channel is getting nearly 2 million views. It's much smaller than those other channels I showed you, but all of their videos, even new ones 2 days ago, 5 days ago, for a small channel, they're getting pretty good views. But as you can see over time, they start to get even more, and they go up and up and up over time because there's a common theme for this channel. The common theme is to help you become a better plant owner. So it's to help you improve your relationship. So there's an ongoing mission of the channel that ties everything together. It's not just a generalist channel about plants. There's a goal of it. It's showing you what to do, the tips and things to make you better with your house plants. So you can get into the mindset of the avatar. There could be lots of things that you talk about that perform a little bit worse, but as long as there's a common theme between your channel of the desire or the outcome, then your content is going to do better. So the time of the generalist channel is over. You need to get into the mindset of your avatar and understand the psychology of what they want. Now, if you would like more YouTube training, then you can join our free community. I've got a full YouTube course in there that will explain more of this in detail, and you can also get access to myself. So I will link that in the video description. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you inside the next one.